Patient, we do definitely front. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 with plie. We do pulley bar to the side. 5. Circle front with plie on 6. Up 7 and 8. Back same, okay? Definitely back. And then you plie other side arm. Pulley bar to the side. Circle front again. And then up. You do definitely to the side. 1 and 2. Plie 3. Relay on 4. Plie on 5. PK passing on 6. Arm stay. And 7 and 8. Turn to front. 1 and 2. Hold 3, 4. Attitude turn. A long way. Party bourrée. Chassé. With. Passé. Développé. Turn to. And face. Look at right side arm. With plie. Circle front. Straight up. Nicely. Pulling. And passing. Arabesque. Turn to. Face. Look at left side arm. With plie. And straight up. To the side. Plie. Arm up. Right away. And plie. PK up passing. And plie. You need to stay nicely. Arm up. Turn to. And plie. Stay. Turn on 5. A long way. Party bourrée. Chassé.